Hey, I'm Travis Perry, the inventor of ChordBuddy, one of the most popular and successful products to ever be on ABC's Shark Tank. It's also the world's fastest and easiest way to learn guitar. And to prove that, I'm going to teach someone to play their favorite song in 90 seconds. Hey, it's Travis back, and I have Savannah here, and she has never played the guitar. Is that right?
Yep.
Are you wanting to play the guitar?
I really want to play the guitar.
You really want to play? Cool. Because she's going to play her first song in 90 seconds. And she has chosen to try Wagon Wheel. And that's a song that we do in our bluegrass band, very popular song. So let me show you how to do it, or tell you how to do it, and you're going to do it yourself. You press the blue and strum them all. Then you go to the red and press it a little harder than the blue and miss the top string. Good. Yellow is E minor and all 6 again. Good. Then green in the bottom 5. Oh, perfect. Yeah, let's do this thing. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, play. Hallelujah, girl. That was awesome.
Thank you.
Can you believe you just did that? That's crazy, isn't it? Wow. We're going to have to get you a ChordBuddy. Savannah just played her first song in 90 seconds.